In today's video I want to upgrade my garage workshop a little bit. I'm gonna build a small workbench for my chop saw to sit on, so I can get rid of the original stand, which isn't compact or multifunctional at all. I got a big pile of wood left over from an old shed to be used for this project, in addition to the remaining wood of the Caddy's camper conversion. I started by cutting out the usable parts of the thick beams to create the workbench's legs. Then made a cutout section on the rear legs to accommodate the flooring's toe plate when fastening the workbench to the wall. At the same time I drilled holes for the wall mounting. Next, I cleaned up the edges using a 45-degree router bit. While sanding, I went from 40 grit all the way up to 500. Then filled all the imperfections with wood filler. Afterwards I used an ebony wood stain on the beams. Then screwed the legs together, including the frame for the subfloor. Followed by trimming the subfloor's boards to size and sanding them. Went for an oil finish. I used some of those old school flathead screws, which fit the overall design of the workbench perfectly. Also added some blends on the sides. The tabletop is made from a leftover piece of 9mm birch multiplex. The grain of the two pieces doesn't match, but that's okay cause I made use out of what I had. Felt like adding some edge profiles, so I simply bended some aluminum pieces in a vise. then screwed the workbench solidly against the wall. Finally took off the chop saw's clamping mechanism of the original stand and bolted it down to the workbench. I hope I could inspire someone to reuse some old material and create something new. See you next time, cheers!